Kia ora, Grant Whitbourne here, and welcome to video 5. Yes, video 5 in this 5-part series on questions in Te Reo Māori for beginners. Now today we're going to be looking at the word how. So far we've covered off who, when, what, where. Today we're going to be looking at how. So I'll jump across to the screencast and get started. And if you haven't already, make sure you do hit that subscribe button down below. So the word we're going to be looking at, how. The Māori word for it is pehea. Now we're just going to run through a couple of examples here, really basic examples for you as a new beginner, a new starter in Te Reo Māori. So first we're going to be looking at, actually I'll take it back a step. We have looked in the previous videos about how when we have this word in isolation, it's really the word that comes before it that really helps to define and build context around what we're saying. And it's the same with this. So we're going to be looking at two examples. We're going to be looking at kaite. You remember earlier we looked at, in another video, we looked at 𝐾𝐁𝐎𝐔𝐓. What are you doing? Operative word here being what, because we were looking at aha. Now in this example, we're going to stick in the word pehea. What are you doing? Pehea meaning how. It's a really simple translation. How are you doing? Or how are you? Kei te pehea koe. How are you? Kei te pai au. I am good. Put a little smiley face there. Ooh, look at that. Kei te pai. I am good. We could change koe around. Kei te pehea tō tuakana. How is your brother? How is your older brother? Kei te pai ia. He is good. Kei te pai ia. Look, again, all we need to do is change out pehea to how they're doing. How is he? He is good. He is bad. He is sad. It's all those words around feeling. They're the ones that we would be using in this instance. Now, the next example that we're going to look at is very similar. Earlier, I talked about how we really need to focus on not just the word here, the question word, but the word that comes before it. And in this case, we had kaite. We're going to use I this time. I pehea. And then the thing, let's say, I pehea tō moe. This is a good one. So instead of, so kaite is all about the present tense. I is the past tense. So now instead of saying, how are you, or how is something, we're replacing is with was. How was something? I pehea tō moe. So tō meaning your, moe meaning sleep. How was your sleep? How was your sleep? I. Now, a word we can use here is o. O, not in the sense of o as in me, not as in kei te pai o. We're using o as in, it kind of means sound, but specifically for sleeping. So, I o te moe. The sleep was good, or I o taku moe. My sleep was sound, or my sleep was peaceful. My sleep was good. It's just a different way of saying, like, it's kind of like pai, but specifically for sleep. So it's a word that can really help to embellish exactly what you're trying to say there. I o taku moe. I o taku moe. So really, that's just the two examples that we're going to look at today for pehea, kei te pehea, and I pehea. Kei te meaning now in the present tense, I meaning previously in the past tense. So that's it. I'm going to stop the share. Look, that's it. Thank you for checking out this 5-part series. I really hope that it's been able to help you clarify some of the question and answer phrases that you've been working on or that you'd like to work on in Te Reo Māori. Let me know down in the comments below how you've gone over the whole series. I'd love to get your feedback. If you've got any questions, if you'd like to run through any examples yourself down below, I can usually get to all the comments. If you're looking for any help, please let me know down below. I'd love to hear from you. If you think you got value from these videos, please make sure you hit the share button, share it with your friends, share it with your family, and anyone else that you think could benefit from learning or getting better help with their questions in Te Reo Māori. The who, the what, the when, the where, and the how. Kia ora.